Most brands live and die on Meta Ads and Amazon, but here MaryRuth built something different. 4 acquisition loops running at once with TikTok Shop as the engine. One TikTok campaign once alone did 18 million impressions and lifted their store sales to 246%. Let me show you exactly what she did. So here, quick snapshot so you know who we're talking about. MaryRuth's clean label liquid vitamins and gummies, founded in 2014 by MaryRuth, a certified health educator. They've grown past $100 million in revenue, and they're now in Whole Foods, Target, and Costco. But the D2C subscription business came first, years before retail. Here's the myth. They blew up on TikTok. That's the story everyone is telling. But the actual lever, MaryRuth didn't win one channel. They built 4 acquisition loops that run at the same time and feed each other. So no single platform owns their fate. Here, I will take you one at a time, and at the end, I will split what you can copy by Friday from what we needed their scale. Loop 1, TikTok Shop as an acquisition engine. Not a discount channel, brands that treat TikTok Shop as a place to dump discounts, but here she treated TikTok as a customer acquisition platform, a different game entirely. The stack they run, a creator affiliate content, 24/7 live shopping. You can see here, live right now, with someone walking through the full product wall, GMV max automation, and then they paid amplification on top of the creator videos that are already winning. But why 24 hours live? Because simply for a supplement brand, the live stream isn't a content play, it's the conversion mechanism that the static product page can't be. And here's the proof, straight from the TikTok live right now, as you can see it, guys. She's answering client questions, how they use it, the best time to use it, the mechanism, etc. The creator content does the discovery, the live keeps them top of mind, and then the GMV max and top feed scale whatever's already converting. They're not guessing which ads to run. The creators and the algorithm tell them, and they amplify the winner, and that's the loop. Loop 2, the creator army is the content, and this is their single biggest competitive advantage, and the one I must want you to steal today, guys. Look at this content. Drink your hair care, romanticizing my wellness routine. POV, you started drinking your hair care, recipes video, morning routines, mocktails. Almost none of it was made by Mary. It was made by creators. They don't have a content team here. They have a creator pipeline. This is what I want you to understand. Public interviews also describe them seeding product to creators constantly. A constant pipeline of unboxings, review, testimonials, routine videos. So instead of a brand studio cranking out polished ads, the creators become the content department. Thousands and thousands of pieces of authentic content they didn't have to fill. But guys, full honesty, because this is where most decals lies to you. Thousands of creators a week is not a solo founder move or a small business move. That requires inventory, operations, and a budget you probably don't have yet, or you're not ready to invest yet. So we share in our Inner Circle group systems, easy to integrate automations, growth strategies, case studies, ready to copy-paste prompt that is aligned with your budget, resources, and business maturity in the link in the description, guys. So now let's proceed with loop 3. A D2C site engineers for subscription and AOV. And this is the loop that turns a first sale into a lifetime customer. Here's the thing their CRO said out loud at a conference. They don't optimize for the first sale. They optimize for subscriptions, repeat purchases, and lifetime value. And here, look at what's on this side. Build your own bundle. Save the more you add. A where to start quiz. Subscribe and save everywhere. An AI-powered card with a progress bar, and the result again, that smart cart alone drove over 30% of their additional D2C revenue. The bundle widget on the product page drove roughly another 19 to 21%, and the add to cart subscription pop-up. The little want to subscribe and save, that fires when you add a cart drove another 19 net result. Average order value up over 70%. Every element here we understand that exists to do one of two jobs: raise the cart or start a subscription. The mechanism, every piece of that site is pointed at two metrics: bigger cart or convert to subscription. The progress bar nudges the cart up. The one-click pop-up converts the buyer to recur. Nothing on that page is a decoration. It's all calculated. It's all strategic. Alright, now finally the loop 4. The Retail-to-DTC capture loop, and this is the cleverest one. Actually my favorite. The one almost nobody talks about. MaryRuth's sells in Target, Costco, Amazon, and Whole Foods. The problem with retail and Amazon, you make the sale, but you don't get the customers. Amazon doesn't hand you the email. Target doesn't tell you who bought. So watch what they built. Look here, we have their wellness rewards. This is really my favorite. These are ways to earn points. Create an account and gain 10 points. Upload recipes and get 5 points. For each upload, follow us on TikTok and gain 10 points. This program lets you upload a recipe from Kroger, Costco, Amazon, TikTok Shop, any of them, and get 5 multiple points for it. Think about what actually does. A customer who bought them at Costco, a customer they would normally never know existed, now creates an account, uploads a recipe, and lands in MaryRuth's own database. They just converted an anonymous retail buyer into a known, emailable, remarkable D2C content for points, and they stack a loyalty tier system on top. As you can see here, spend more, earn faster, unlock early access, plus a refer a friend, give $15, get $30. The whole thing is engineered to pull every off-site buyer back into the relationship they control.